Welcome to this demonstration of EnerfleX Radiant Barrier. In the next few minutes, you'll see for yourself how EnerfleX Radiant Barrier is one of the best energy-saving investments around and makes your home more comfortable. Industry experts say there's no other product as easy to install that does as much to reduce utility bills. Similar in concept to a reflective foil car shade, EnerfleX Radiant Barrier is reflective metallized film insulation that blocks up to 96% of the sun's radiant energy from collecting in your attic through the roof. Without a barrier, the attic heats up, it transfers that heat to the attic insulation, to the attic floor, and to the living areas below. For our demonstration, what we're doing is simulating an attic environment. Each of these two chambers is exactly the same. Same heat lamp, same amount of insulation, and the same temperature probes in the same location. In each chamber, there's a probe on top of the insulation and a probe in the middle of the insulation. When we turn on the lamps, you can see the heat rising at the same rate. All right, you can see that we do have similar chambers, so now what we want to do is turn off the lamps and get to the good part when the chambers have cooled. Now that our two test chambers have returned to the same stable temperature, what we did was insert a sample of EnerfleX Radiant Barrier like this in the left chamber here, and we moved our probe on top of the barrier. Now with temperatures on both sides still the same, we'll turn on the heat lamps again, which represent the radiant heat the sun emits through your roof and into your attic space. As you can see, both the top readouts indicate the heat is rising in the attic space and that the chamber without EnerfleX is rising much faster. Same is true with the readouts inside the insulation. After just 10 minutes, you'd see a 30-degree difference between the readouts that represent your attic insulation. Total heat transfer allowed down through an attic can be reduced by as much as 40%. Depending on your home's roof, insulation, and heating and cooling equipment, count on your investment in EnerfleX Radiant Barrier to pay for itself in short order. To learn more about Radiant Barriers and EnerfleX installation tips, visit EnerflexFoil.com. And thanks for watching.